This guy's crazy. I cannot believe I said yes to this job. Friend of a friend reached out to us and he's gone. I know it's a big ask. Got a wedding today. This is the wedding car. I need my car doing by 1 o'clock, so the wedding's at 2 o'clock. So I've got to wash, polish, do absolutely everything, wax it, you name it, got to get it ready, and I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Right, I need to get my head together. Sake, great start. So to do this super quick, actually do a decent job, as much as going to pre-wash everything, the wheels, the arches, the car, snow foam, the wheels, the arches, the car, and then I think my pump spray just broke. It's fine, we're fine, calm down, we're fine. Did a little bit of prep work last night, so chemicals were sort of already diluted, good to go, so I don't have to spend any time doing that. So I've tried to do as much prep work as I can last night, but even still, there's only so much you can prep. Pre-wash the wheels, arches, face the tyres. Now I've just pre-wash actual body and then snow foam everything, rinse that, and then that'll be the pre-wash done. Then we can contact wash it, so saving us a lot of time. There's only 2 seats. They are leather seats, not fabric seats, so I don't have to necessarily bother wet and dry vacuuming them, so could be doable. I'm going to do a second pass of the pre-wash just to make sure I've not missed anywhere, because I'm rushing around like an absolute lunatic. It's not only about working fast, it's about working fast and efficiently. Awesome little top tip for you guys. Now the snow foam is sitting on the car. I'm now going to fly around. I'm going to try and clean all the wheels while the pre-wash and snow foam is sitting on the car. If I have to go and apply a bit more snow foam, I can do, but this is a great way that I've done before that sort of works. Going in with my iron fallout remover, as you can see. Woo! Make sure to not touch the paintwork. Stay within the arch itself. Done. Face the wheel. Barrel brushes. I'm going to use the same size barrel brush to get in between them spokes. Make sure I get out behind the spokes as well. Just get behind that caliper so I can get the top of that caliper as well. Get behind the spokes straight away. The only thing is a random lip. So I've got to try and get into that lip as well, because that's where all the brake dust and dirt and grime sits. Right, let's get a bit more of a thicker bristle brush. Nylon brushes to get actually into those wheel nuts. Check. Beautiful. Next. What basically happened, so I've been told, if I can remember rightly, is the wedding car that they actually booked, right, there was a complication with dates or payments or something like that. So they couldn't get the wedding car they wanted. Now it's too short notice for them to actually get a wedding car. So he's going to be using the BMW Z4 as the wedding car, which is great, but because it's such short notice, you know, I've had to move people around and, you know, ask for favours. I've had to ask for favours to accommodate. I've just dropped my mitt. From my clients to be able to move them around in order to accommodate friend of a friend this car today to get it booked in. Otherwise, you know, it's sort of like a 3-week wait at the minute. I've done 2 wheels, pre-wash, deep cleaned them. Now I'm going to rinse off the pre-wash, rinse off the snow foam. Hasn't sat on the car longer than 5 minutes. Oh, honey, honey. I don't know why I'm singing that. So far so good. So this roof has apparently been cleaned professionally a couple of weeks ago. I don't know where from. I think it got re-dyed as well because it's really bad and mouldy and green. There's no protection on it, I don't think. Well, there isn't, because there's no beading whatsoever. But cleaning wise, I don't know. I mean, is there any professional, proper, like, just convertible cleaning companies and that's all they do? I don't know. Seeing that threw me off. That I put my foot in there, my foot just disappeared under the car. Get me away, Tom. I ain't got time for your shenanigans. Everything's comments now are going to go absolutely crazy, right? Oh my God, you're not perfectly doing it this way, blah, 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 blah. As I'm going around, I'm actually feeling the paintwork as well, so I'm actually feeling how contaminated it is. Now, it's not super smooth, but I've felt obviously a lot worse.
What do you mean by that?
I'm not 100% confident you're going to do this. Not to be a Debbie Downer.
Not you, me, both, mate. Right, I don't even know where I am. Back end, front end, side. I've got to do the front and the wing still. Getting in there. So, to maximise my working time, so all my little detail stuff from my brushes into the, sort of the arches and stuff, instead of doing them separately after a rinse, I'm actually going in with them as well, if that makes sense.
Should I quickly go around with the brush and just do the badges?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go on. Actually, yeah. Hold on. I've recruited Tom to do a bit of detailing work.
I'm a car detailer now.
He's a car detailer. Put it onto your resume, mate. All the brush work done, iron fallout, on we go. Make sure I get good coverage and make sure it covers the whole car. Tom, what time are we on?
6:30.
It literally depends on the polishing. It literally depends on that and the interior and a lot of things, to be honest. It depends on everything. Now a lot of you might think this is a bit pointless and I'm wasting a bit of time, and I can see your argument going around mitting it again after doing a bit of iron fallout. I just really like, if I can, to make sure that that iron fallout is covered along the whole car. So just by doing a little bit of mitting, I don't have to go crazy. It's just what I like to do. Slippery there. Tom, have you seen the amount of tar that's on this now? Really quick way to prep your car for a bit of tar. Expensive way of doing it, but it's a quicker way of doing it. So instead of actually putting a rinse aid on, get like yourself a hydrophobic spray sealant. I've got Fusion in my hand right now from EZ Car Care. So all I'm going to do now is spray Fusion on, and then I'm going to rinse this away, dry the car. It's going to take most of the water off, which means when I actually use my tar and glue, there's very little water for it to react with. There's in the tar and glue for it to react with. You can use tar and glue on a wet car. Ideally don't do it, because when you have an oil-based product, which is what tar and glue is, reacting with water, we all know what oil and water, when they react together, what happens? They don't like each other. So we'll try and get rid of the water, or as much of it as we can, and that's drip dry, so that's removed most of the water. So now I want to use my tar and glue. We are good to go. So I need a microfiber cloth. Oh, this is baked on this. So you get the black spots and then it's bleeding down like that. So I'll leave that for a few minutes, let it melt away, and then I come along with microfiber cloth.
Is there another microfiber that I could just go around in this part of the car?
Yes.
Like you go front to back, I do back to front, and then we'll kiss in the middle.
We'll kiss in the middle. And all I want you to do is go around the bit where I've sprayed, caressing the paintwork. Talk to her as you caress her.
Yeah, you like that, baby.
So now I'm back to the start point, where I've applied my chemical, i.e. the tar and glue, and now I'm just going back over any real stubborn bits. So much of it. Clay bar. Yeah. No. So I've tried to do as much prep work as I can last night. Yes! Woo! Always have spare. Right, I've got a snow foam the whole car now, so you can use that as lubrication. Get it nice and thick. So what you're going to do, Tom, is just do exactly what I'm doing. Left to right, and then up and down. And then once we've done that section, we go, let's have a ganders. Get it nice and smooth. If there are any areas, any little bits, go back over that again, and then rinse and repeat. Right, rinse aid, Instagloss, should all this know by now. The day they change the formula or discontinue this product is the day I get very, very upset.
This has to be done by 1, right?
Yeah.
You've got 5.5 hours. Is that enough time?
Depending on the polishing.
It's about almost 8.
About almost 8. And the clouds have parted and the sun is out. Today is a good day.
You've got a maximum of 4 hours.
What, in total? What, polishing?
And waxing, ideally.
Who's this now? Hello? Yeah, how am I getting on? Well, I'm polishing, but this phone call doesn't help. Yeah, cheers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Leave me alone, man. Yes. It is now 11ish. I've got a bit more polishing to do, then interior, then wax it, then glass, then dress tyres. If you want to be more efficient and save time, get yourself a turbo nozzle, get yourself an air compressor, get yourself a mask as well. Boot, done. Right. Oh, these electric seats take forever to move. I ain't got time for this. Come on. Right, interior done. How long we got left now, Tom?
You got 15 minutes.
You make this look wrong.
It's tight, it's very, very tight.
You're wet, you've got 5 minutes.
I've never waxed a car in 5 minutes before, but okay. Can you wax a car in 5 minutes? This is a video all on its own. Nearly there. Back end to do, then glass to do. 4 hours burning. Right, so last time check it was just before sort of 1. It's now 11 minutes past 1. I've not had a phone call, don't know where he is. I'm expecting him to turn up any second. I've still got to dress the tyres, I've still got some little bits to do. Don't know where he is, he could turn up literally any second. This might be him now. Right, face the tyres, wheel faces, need a wipe down, so let's keep that in my pocket there. You're on your way, yeah? What, you just left the church? Are you in the car? Right, I'll be 2 secs. Okay, bye bye. Well, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, bye bye. Right, that's us done. Like, subscribe, all that type of stuff. If you like the video, give us a comment. And if you do want to book, you can book us, but make sure you book us in advance if you are getting your wedding car done. But yeah, catch you next video. Bye. Bye.